Obert Mpofu, Secretary for Administration of Zimbabwe's ruling party, Zanu PF, has raised alarm bells over the declining electoral success of former liberation movements in nearby nations. Mpofu highlighted upcoming elections in Mozambique, Namibia, and Botswana as flashpoints for potential destabilization by former colonial powers. His concerns are based on recent trends, such as South Africa's ANC losing its parliamentary majority in the 2024 elections, which led to a coalition government. Zanu PF faced its own hurdles in Zimbabwe's 2023 elections, initially missing a two-thirds parliamentary majority, but later securing it through by-elections. Mpofu's statements underscore Zanu PF's priority to safeguard its influence and support allied liberation movements against what it perceives as external threats. As these elections approach, the region watches closely. Will these movements maintain their grip on power, or will we see a shift in the political landscape? Drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. See you next time.